guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video on my shampoo formulation series. So I hope you have learned a lot in my previous videos where I talked about the types of shampoos, the ingredients used in formulating shampoos, and also the surfactants and how to calculate the active surfactant matter for your shampoo. If you have been following this series for a while now, you know that I'm providing you with a lot of information, and all this information are tailored towards helping you understand the shampoo formulation process. So today what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that I'm going to be using to formulate my clarifying shampoo. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is to formulate a clarifying shampoo. Then we'll move on to formulate other types of shampoos. And because we are formulating a clarifying shampoo, I'm here to show you the ingredients that I will be using to formulate my clarifying shampoo. And if you have these ingredients available, you can join me and then we will go into the formulation. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button down below and also the notification of the bell button so that you are notified whenever I upload my videos. Usually I upload my videos on weekends. You can expect a video either on Saturday or Sunday. But currently I post on Sundays. So let's head right into the video. So first off, I'm going to be showing you the surfactants that I would be using. So the first surfactant that I want to show you here is the cocoa betaine. Yes, so this is cocoa betaine. Now, cocoa betaine is a very mild surfactant, and usually it is a primary surfactant. I don't want to talk more about it because if you want to know more about cocoa betaine and all that, you just watch my previous video on surfactants. Okay, so this is cocoa betaine. This is how it looks like. You can see it has this. It really helps with foam. So you can see that even when I'm shaking it, it's trying to foam. Yeah, so this is cocoa betaine. And then I also have here my cocoa glucoside. So this is cocoa glucoside, this is cocoa betaine, and this is also another surfactant. This is one of the primary surfactants that you can get out there. So these are my two surfactants that I have here. Now, in order to formulate my clarifying shampoo, I also need an anionic surfactant. So these are not anionic surfactants. So I need an anionic surfactant to help me create this amazing clarifying shampoo formula. So what I'm using here is castile soap. So castile soap is going to be my anionic surfactants. Now, after castile soap, you can use African black soap. Those are anionic surfactants. The other ingredients I'm also going to be showing you are more of like the moisturizing ones. Yeah. And I just add them also to my shampoo. So I have here glycerin. Yeah. Our very own glycerin. Yeah. So, this is glycerin. And I have here turmeric extracts. Turmeric extracts. So this actually, the reason why I'm adding turmeric extract is not necessarily for any different added benefits, but I want to use it to get a very nice color for my shampoo. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you a sample shampoo that I did with this. So it's not going to give me a clear shampoo, more like these ones. It's going to give me a beautiful color. So which is why I want to add turmeric extract. But in case you use African black soap, I don't think the turmeric extract can do much because, you know, black soap itself has its own color. Now, I'm also going to be using an essential oil. And the essential oil I'm using is clove essential oil. So clove here is just to give my shampoo this clove-like fragrance. So in place of the clove, you can use your normal fragrance oil. If you have fragrance oil, you can use fragrance oil, or you can use any essential oil at all: rosemary, thyme, clove, whatever that you have there, you can use that. I'm also going to be using some thickness, and this is my Curtis thickener. Okay, and this is also my xanthan gum. So I'm going to be combining these two thickness for my shampoo. You can use any thickener that you have available, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to be using. So the last ingredient I'm going to be showing you is the preservative. Any product that has water in it needs to be preserved. So I'm going to be adding my liquid Jamal Plus. This is a great all-round preservative, and ideally the usual pH range that liquid Jamal Plus really works well is in a pH of between 3 to 8. So it has this wider range pH, and so if your shampoo is between these ranges, you are safe. So basically, these are the ingredients that I am going to be using for this clarifying shampoo. And girl, if you really want to see the shampoo, like to feel or to know how I formulate it, just come back next week, okay? You just watch me do my thing. Finally, I want to show you my shampoo, my clarifying shampoo that I made. So this is it. Can you see the color? The color is as a result of the turmeric extracts that I used, and it smells, and the fragrance here is the clove essential oil that I use, so I can really smell the clove in it. And this is a really clarifying shampoo, and I use the castile soap. So like I said, if you're going to be using African black soap, it's going to change the color. You will not get this color, but this is what I have. And if you want to use hibiscus, you're going to get this pinkish color, sort of. Yes. So this is what we're going to be formulating next week. This is actually what we're going to be formulating next week. So guys, thanks a lot for sticking around and watching this video. I hope you were able to get something out of it, and I hope I'm making sense to you. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, just at this point, just hit on subscribe button. And thanks a lot for spending time to watch this video. Just let me know in the comment section if you find this video useful, and also if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section, and then I would definitely put an answer or respond to your comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you sometime next week. Until then, as always, stay blessed.